everyone. Today we will learn cooking verbs in English and Hindi. To cook means pakana. She is cooking food. To make means banana. To make means banana. To stir means milana. To stir means milana. To roll out means bilna. She is rolling out the bread. To deep fry means talna. To deep fry means talna. To boil means ubalna. To boil means ubalna. To add or pour means dalna. To add or pour means dalna. To mix means milana. She is mixing the batter. To soak means vigona. To soak means vigona. To decorate means sajana. To decorate means sajana. To toast means sekna. Bread is being toasted. To toast means sekna. To beat or hammer means kutna. To beat or hammer means kutna. To mill or grind means pisna. To mill or grind means pisna. To cut or chop means katna. Vegetable is being cut by her. To knead means gutna. She is kneading the floor. She is kneading floor. To pour means urelna. To pour means urelna. To season means chopna. To season means chopna. To whisk means fetna. To whisk means fetna. To stain or strain means chalna. To stain or strain means chalna.